Good morning. I hope you are doing well. This time of year, particularly because I live in Utah and we're in a high desert, right around the 4,000, 5,000 foot range. What happens is that the air gets very, very cold. It gets so cold, it can make your skin very, very dry. You can get the little flakies, don't you? And you have to exfoliate them off to make sure that your skin does better. Well, the same is true, and then maybe use a moisturizer, right? Well, the same is true when it comes to your hair. If you start noticing static or anything of that nature, what you're experiencing is the fact that the cold air is really hard on your hair type, especially fine hair. The hair just wants to kind of like float away, right? So what's going to happen is you want to make sure that you can counteract that. How would you do that? Well, how you do that is like this. Take and use a clarifying shampoo that has a pH of 5.5 to 6.5, somewhere in that range. A clarifying shampoo. Also, you want a light rinse out conditioner, not a heavy conditioner, but a light rinse out conditioner, one that has an acidic range, the same thing. Now, is that because hair has a pH? No, hair does not have a pH. It's a solid, not a liquid, and it can't dissolve in water. So no, hair does not. But what it will do is it'll help protect the mantle that's on your hair. And if you're color treating your hair, it's going to go toward the next step to help protect hair color. So let's do that. Let's take and use a clarifying shampoo once a week. Say you shampooed your hair every day. You can do the math and shorten this down. Use less of it. But let's say you use a clarifying shampoo once a week. I hope I said once a week before, not once a day. Once a week. Okay, if you do that, what's going to happen is that on day 2, you want to use the light rinse out acidic conditioner. That's going to make a big difference. Makes your hair feel clean because your hair wasn't dirty to start with, and it prevents you from using anything with much of a cleansing action to it at all every day. On the 3rd day, determine whether or not you can get away with the conditioner again or not. If you decide to skip a day, that works very well too. Now the next step, use a light oil if your hair is fine on the ends anyhow when the hair is damp, or a heavy oil like Moroccan oil if your hair is coarse and you want to put it on the hair while the hair is damp. That works really, really well too to help seal in moisture because oils are hydrophobic. Do essential oils or food item oils like olive oil work as well as other hair oils? No, not even close. But there are a lot of cheap oils out there, so you want to be selective. My favorite come from L'Oreal Professional. I got to admit, I really do like those about the best oil-wise. Although Chromastix has one called Extreme Serum I really like as well. But those oils are really, really good. If you want more information, you can text me or reach out to me, particularly if you want to pick up any of the oils that we recommend. You can do that on our website via our Instagram page. Okay, so now what else can you do to help with staticky hair that's going to help your hair more so in the winter? All right, so you're using the clarifier once a week. You're using a light conditioner instead of shampooing your hair every day. And if you can get away with it, you're rinsing your hair and not putting anything on it except perhaps a leave-in spray conditioner every so often. Not an acidic conditioner, a light one, nothing. Just about the 3rd day, you're just rinsing it really good, spraying it with a good leave-in conditioner or something of that nature, something light, and then you're styling as per usual. That works really, really well too. Okay, so those are some tips I'd like to know whether or not you've ever tried it, and if so, how you felt about it. How did they work for you? Did they work out well for you? And if you have any questions you'd like me to address, be sure to leave the question in the comment section, and I will do my very best to get to it as soon as I can. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Take care for now, guys. Bye.